Are you ready, Shafiq, Marvin, and Timothy here?
Hello, Nairobi. It's been a great pleasure to be here in the Central Business District, presenting to the world how to use the famous content management system WordPress, and we've been privileged to preach to the world how to secure our websites.
Because today we delved so much in security, people have gotten to learn how to be secure, what to do when you're hacked.
I was here to talk to you guys about the power of branding. Why you need to brand, why you need to brand your business, and then why you need to brand yourself as a person. Those are two different things, and hope you learned something.
Yes, many of you want to start your websites, but you do not have an idea how to get it started. Shafiq was here today to show the world how you can start your website in just 5 simple steps.
Yes, and he calls it
simple
the
minutes.
famous 5-minute installation of WordPress.
Go to 2019.nairobi.wordcamp.org. You'll find all our slides there. And yeah, man, you're gonna start your website. Tune in to www.ronzag.com and learn more about WordPress tonight. Thank you, and God bless you.